My family. My family. මගේ පවුල. Hi, welcome to my family. Hi, welcome to my family. මගේ පවුලට සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා. My name is Sarani. My name is Sarani. මගේ නම සරණි. I'm 10 years old. I'm 10 years old. මට වයස අවුරුදු 10යි. Today I'm going to introduce my family. Today I'm going to introduce my family. මම අද මගේ පවුල ගැන හඳුන්වා දෙන්නම්. This is my family. This is my family. මේ මගේ පවුල. There are 5 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. මගේ පවුලේ 5 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. Father, mother, elder sister, younger brother and me. Father, mother, elder sister, younger brother and me. තාත්තා, අම්මා, අක්කා, මල්ලි සහ මම. This is my father. This is my father. මේ මගේ තාත්තා. He's an engineer. He's an engineer. ඔහු ඉංජිනේරුවරයෙක්. He loves us very much. He loves us very much. ඔහු අපිට ගොඩක් ආදරෙයි. This is my mother. This is my mother. මේ මගේ අම්මා. She's a housewife. She's a housewife. ඇය ගෘහණියක්. She cooks delicious food for us. She cooks delicious foods for us. ඇය අපි වෙනුවෙන් රසවත් ආහාර උයනවා. She always spends time with us. She always spends time with us. ඇය නිතරම අපි සමග කාලය ගත කරනවා. This is my elder sister Tehani. This is my elder sister Tehani. මේ මගේ අක්කා ටෙහානි. She is 12 years old. She is 12 years old. ඇයගේ වයස අවුරුදු 12යි. Her hobby is reading books. Her hobby is reading books. ඇයගේ විනෝදාංශය පොත් කියවීමයි. This is my younger brother Ravindu. This is my younger brother Ravindu. මේ මගේ මල්ලි රවිඳු. He is 6 years old. He is 6 years old. ඔහුගේ වයස අවුරුදු 6යි. He loves to ride bicycle. He loves to ride bicycle. ඔහු බයිසිකල් පැදීමට කැමතියි. This is my auntie, my father's sister. This is my auntie, my father's sister. මේ මගේ නැන්දා, මගේ තාත්තගේ සහෝදරිය. Her name is Aruni. Her name is Aruni. ඇගේ නම අරුණි. She and my mother are sister-in-law. She and my mother are sister-in-law. ඇය සහ මගේ මව නෑනලා. My mother doesn't have any siblings. My mother doesn't have any siblings. මගේ මවට සහෝදර සහෝදරියන් නැත. My aunt is so proud to have 2 nieces and a nephew like us. My aunt is so proud to have 2 nieces and a nephew like us. මගේ නැන්දට අප වගේ ලේලියන් දෙන්නෙක් සහ බෑනෙක් ඉන්න එක ගැන ආඩම්බරයි. This is my uncle, my aunt's husband. This is my uncle, my aunt's husband. මේ මගේ මාමා, මගේ නැන්දගේ ස්වාමි පුරුෂයා. His name is Kasun. His name is Kasun. ඔහුගේ නම කසුන්. They have 2 kids, one daughter and a son. They have 2 kids, one daughter and a son. ඔවුන්ට දරුවන් දෙදෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. එක දුවෙක් සහ පුතෙක්. They are my cousins. They are my cousins. ඔවුන් මගේ ඥාති සහෝදර සහෝදරියන්. We spend weekend with our grandparents. We spend weekend with our grandparents. අපි අපේ සීයා සහ ආච්චි අම්මා සමග සතියන්තය ගත කරනවා. They are my father's parents. They are my father's parents. ඔවුන් මගේ තාත්තගේ දෙමාපියන්. They are my mother's mother-in-law and father-in-law. They are my mother's mother-in-law and father-in-law. ඔවුන් මගේ අම්මගේ නැන්දම්ම සහ මාමණ්ඩියයි. This is my grandfather. This is my grandfather. මේ මගේ සීයා. He is 60 years old. He is 60 years old. ඔහුගේ වයස අවුරුදු 60යි. He is a retired principal. He is a retired principal. ඔහු විශ්‍රාමික විදුහල්පතිවරයෙක්. He has one daughter-in-law and a son-in-law. He has one daughter-in-law and a son-in-law. ඔහුට ලේලියෙක් සහ බෑනෙක් ඉන්නවා. He has 3 granddaughters and 2 grandsons. He has 3 granddaughters and 2 grandsons. ඔහුට මිනිමිරියන් 3 දෙනෙක් සහ මුණුබුරන් දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා. This is my grandmother. This is my grandmother. මේ මගේ ආච්චි අම්මා. She has a big garden with fruits and vegetables. She has a big garden with fruits and vegetables. ඇයට පළතුරු සහ එළවලු සහිත විශාල වත්තක් ඇත. She loves to work in the garden. She loves to work in the garden. ඇය ගෙවත්තේ වැඩ කිරීමට කැමතියි. She always tells us nice stories. She always tells us nice stories. ඇය නිතරම අපිට ලස්සන කතන්දර කියලා දෙනවා.